Hello everyone. So we just got in some of the Ortho Home Defense Hornet and Wasp Killer that we had got online, and we were just going to show you. I have a couple nests that are here in the shed behind me, and it's supposed to spray up to 20 feet. I'm not going to be standing near that far back, but I just wanted to show you this in case you were looking into doing it. It has really good reviews, so we're going to check it out today. So the nests that I'm going after are right up here. So there's two of them. You can actually see some hornets there on the back one. So I'm going to go ahead and spray. I'm about 3-4 feet away or so. So this can is saying that we can spray this area, make sure that it's nice and moist. It recommends doing it during sunrise or sunset when they're the least active. It says do not stand under it. And wait 24 hours before you remove the nest. So even if you don't get bugs that are actively here, then it's supposed to kill them when they return. So there's about 3 of them around there on that back one. So we'll see how this goes. So the spray, the jet actually worked pretty good. It saturated pretty much everything over there. I'm going to continue looking around, see if I can find any more that are in here so that I can hit them up. And I think that's pretty good. So I have seen some reviews online about people using this for self-defense. Wouldn't recommend that, but it does have a pretty good jet. Alright, we're doing a follow-up here. It's been 24 hours as recommended on the can. So we sprayed both of these. After that initial spray, I went pretty much around the whole eaves here, and I sprayed the entire area because I found a bunch of other small ones too. But here's the end result. So you can see the ones that were back there. Some of them are caught in the spider webs right there, and there's that one that's just chilling out, but it's actually dead. So it worked pretty effectively. I didn't see any return, but it worked pretty good for that one. There's also a few over there with that nest, and then also in a few other areas. So I believe that that was a pretty good spray. Would highly recommend it, and hopefully that helps. Have a great day.
DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself. Today on DIY with Chris.